Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Guide, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And today I'm going to talk with you about what to do when you get two orders from the same person and how you can combine shipping on those two orders. Okay, so this happens when somebody purchases something from you and then maybe later in the same day, they are still browsing around in your awesome shop. So they purchase something again from you. And now they've purchased two orders from you and paid for shipping twice. Now, maybe you do need to charge them all that amount for shipping, but chances are usually you can combine their package and ship for less. So this video is about how you do that. What you want to do is wait until you're actually getting ready to ship your items, and then go ahead and package it all together and weigh it and find out how much it's going to cost to ship. So let's say, for example's sake, that your customer's first purchase from you had a $10 shipping associated with it, and also the second order was also $10. And then you go to put this all together and you realize it's only going to cost $12 to ship. So at that point, you go ahead and create the shipping label for one of the orders. Then there are basically three steps from there. First of all, decide if you need to give a refund to the purchaser. Most times if you're combining shipping, it's good business to go ahead and give a refund for the extra amount of shipping. So what you'll want to do is give a partial refund, and I'll show you how to do that. You want to go ahead and go to orders and shipping from your shop manager. And normally I do this in my new orders because I do it on the order that hasn't shipped. But I just cleared out my queue for the day, so I'm going to show you from a completed order. It's very similar. You want to click on more actions and then issue a refund. And then you want to give a partial refund. So you go ahead and just choose the owner, choose the reason, shop owner refunding shipping overages, and you can put a little note to buyer there. And then scroll down to where the shipping is and go ahead and type in the shipping amount. Even if you're not going to give the full amount, let's say combined it was $12 and they paid $10 on each. So you really only want to give, the shipping came out to $12, so you only want to give like a partial shipping refund, like of $8, for example. You can do whatever amount you need to there, and then you just process the refund. Step 2 is you want to go into that same order that you didn't create the shipping label in, and you want to mark it as shipped. And when you do, make sure to enter the tracking number that you used for the initial shipping label. And also put a little note in there that, this order shipped combined with your previous order. Last step is just let your customer know and you're all set. If you'd like to sign up to get my free secret tips and resources, you can do that at VintagepreneurUniversity.com/secret, and I'll link to that below for you as well. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Subscribe to my channel and also click the little bell so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!